Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll walk you through how to connect Razorpay to your Shopify store manually. It's a simple process, and by the end, you'll be ready to accept payments directly through Razorpay on your Shopify website. Let's start with step 1, creating a Razorpay account. If you don't have one yet, go to the Razorpay website and sign up. Complete your KYC by submitting your business and identity details. Once your verification is done and your account is authorized to accept payments, Razorpay will send you a confirmation message through WhatsApp, SMS, and email. Now, let's move to step 2, installing the Razorpay Secure app. Go to the Shopify App Store and search for Razorpay Secure. Click Install App, then log into your Shopify store if prompted. Once logged in, click Connect, and then select Install App again to add it to your store. You'll be redirected to the Razorpay landing page. Choose I am an existing user, and then enter your Razorpay API key and API secret. Once you've filled in those details, click Activate to connect Razorpay with your Shopify store. Finally, let's test the integration to make sure everything works. Go to your Shopify admin dashboard, click on Settings, then select Payments. Find the Razorpay Secure app in the Supported Payment Methods section and click Manage. Scroll to the bottom and check the box that says Enable Test Mode, then click Save. Now, create a test order on your store. At checkout, choose Razorpay as your payment method and use valid test card details to complete the process. If the payment goes through successfully, congratulations! Your Razorpay integration is working perfectly. And that's it. You've successfully connected Razorpay to your Shopify store manually. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out more tutorials to help you run your Shopify store like a pro.